live.
Hey guys, it's Dorothy, and in this Mad Minute, I'm gonna talk about Thieves Essential Oil. This is a blend oil of cinnamon, clove, lemon, and eucalyptus. It's great for a germ eliminator and an immune booster. So you can throw it into your diffuser, 3 to 4, maybe 5 drops in your diffuser to get the germies out of the air and boost your immune system. You can put a couple drops on the bottom of your feet, rub them together. You can put it behind your ears, and if you're feeling really brave, you can even put a drop on your tongue in your mouth. I've already heard from a teacher friend that she has had 3 colds since the back to school. So don't go through the fall and winter without your Thieves. Stock up on Thieves, protect yourself, boost your immune system, get yourself some Thieves spray, some Thieves hand sanitizer, and wash your hands, friends. These are all great products to keep your immune system strong and get those germs far away. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and if you need some help getting your hands on some Thieves, I can help you out with that. Have a great day. Bye.